1. What does Maslow's hierarchy of needs prioritize first? Physiological needs. 2. The concept of multiple intelligences was developed by Cologne. Howard Gardner. 3. Which psychologist is known for classical conditioning? Ivan Pavlov. 4. What is the primary focus of humanistic learning theory? Personal growth. 5. The term operant. Conditioning is associated with B.F. Skinner. 6. What is intrinsic motivation? Internal desire to learn. 7. Which type of memory stores information temporarily? Short-term memory. 8. What is the purpose of scaffolding in education? Supporting student learning. 9. Vygotsky's theory emphasizes social interaction. 10. What is the critical period in learning language? Early childhood. 11. What does brainstorming encourage? Creative thinking. 12. What is a mind map used for? Visualizing ideas. 13. Inquiry-based learning helps develop ... critical thinking. 14. What is the jigsaw method? Group learning strategy. 15. What does a flipped classroom encourage? Active learning. 16. What is peer tutoring? Students teaching each other. 17. What does experiential learning involve? Learning through experience. 18. The Socratic method promotes ... critical questioning. 19. What is differentiated instruction? Tailoring lessons to student needs. 20. What does blended learning combine? Online and face-to-face teaching. 21. What does formative assessment provide? Ongoing feedback. 22. What is summative assessment used for? Final evaluation. 23. A diagnostic test helps to ... identify learning gaps. 24. What is peer assessment? Students evaluating each other. 25. What is the purpose of rubrics? Standardized grading. 26. Portfolio assessment involves ... collecting student work. 27. What does self-assessment encourage? Reflection on learning. 28. What is the purpose of performance-based assessment? Practical skill evaluation. 30. What does a standardized test measure? Academic performance. 31. What promotes a positive ... classroom environment? Respect and inclusivity.